How you doing, guys? This is Tree Cat Productions. I'm Anthony.
UI11.
This is UI11. We call him Colby. And today we're using an old gaming setup it belonged to me a long time ago, and the components of it are just very, very old. It's from like 2005, and I used to play like Counter-Strike on it and whatnot. And this is a very, very old PC. The hard drives don't even like work anymore. They're old. Maybe like 60 gigabytes or something like that. It has in the front, it has fan control with a DVD drive, as you can see. And it also has a lot of really cool, awesome looking skull fan covers. So today, what we're going to be doing is taking a look at what's inside, maybe fixing it up a little. We're going to be rebuilding it.
Rebuilding it?
Let's do it. So to start off,
let's get rid of all these plugs.
Yeah, let's get rid of all those plugs. We need a screwdriver. As you can see, guys, the cables are gone, and we took the power supply out. Show them the power supply. This is I think it's like 500 watt. This is a really crappy old one. 400 watts. This is 400 watts power supply. Old as hell. So next we're gonna let's take out the DVD drive. This IDE. This is all IDE. There's no SATA within this. I can already tell Cameron's gonna run upstairs and get the hell out of the house as soon as the fire starts. He's not gonna help whatsoever. He's just gonna run in hell. Oh my god, holy crap. I think we have a problem because I can't take out the DVG drive or the fan control board for some reason. There's one hard drive. This is a 160 gigabytes. That is nothing. You can download like 2 instances of World of Warcraft on it. I think it's like 40 gigabytes. This one's 200 gigabytes. Not bad, but you can do better. This is the sound card that we're using right here. Oh no, that's the graphics card rather. This is our Ethernet card. Alright, so we're back again. We just took out the sound card, the Ethernet card. Cat did not knock over the camera. We're going to take out the RAM now. So we have 3 RAM sticks. I think it equals maybe like a full gigabyte worth of actual memory.
Nah.
Which is, there's nothing. about 1.5 gigabytes worth of memory in here. That's nothing. So you just do Twizzlers inside of our computer.
Outer base.
I'll take one.
Look how brown that is.
It's nasty. Got the Twizzlers. So we took you out an AMD Athlon. This thing must be from like 1942 or something. So ladies and gentlemen, as it stands, we took everything out besides the motherboard and we have 2 fans here, the motherboard, and a disk drive
What is this?
with also a fan control unit, which is both right here and here. Now we plan on taking those out in just a quick movement, and then we'll get back to you. As you guys can see, this is the granddaddy of all computer parts right here. This is the motherboard. Now, this motherboard is so old. It has a 40... What? Socket 462? What the hell does that even mean?
I mean, it's old.
I have what is it? AM3 Plus socket on my newer motherboard. Now, this is so old that it doesn't even have a PCI Express slot. Just PCIs. This thing is absolute garbage. But I'm sure we can play some kind of game on it. So
Minesweeper.
what we're going to do is we're going to clean out the case, clean out all the components, and put it back together. Maybe try to run a game or something. We're going to install maybe Windows XP or something on it. We can do that, and we'll get back to you when we do that.
It looks relatively clean.
I know it does, because I cleaned it last time we fucking unbuilt it. But we're using an air compressor this time. That way we get all the nooks and crannies. So what we're trying to do is we're trying to start this leaf blower.
What are we using the leaf blower for?
We're gonna clean the case somehow.
I mean, we're using a leaf blower to clean a case. You're gonna make it backfire, dude. It's gonna blow. It's gonna make it. How dumb are you?
What?
You guys both don't know how to use a freaking leaf blower or something? He knows all. Is it really that hard to use a leaf blower? Honestly, you guys are so dumb. You left the choke on. This, look at this. You see this? Look at that. See this? You had that on.
Oh my god. So it's his
It's not that hard to use a leaf blower.
How you doing, ladies and gentlemen? Tree Tap Productions here, and where we left off, we did a lot of dusting with a
leaf blower.
right, with a leaf blower. But now we're gonna rebuild it, and by we I mean he is gonna rebuild it because I took it apart, and I'm just gonna help him if he needs any help. I'll be out of frame for the most part, but it's gonna be time lapsed. So have fun and keep watching. So right now we have
Here.
we plugged everything in. Now we just gotta plug these components in, like the USB and the sound card and everything else. And those actually go inside here on that part right there. A very, very tiny little part. Hard to see it. But we're plugging those in now. I'm gonna take this and plug this in as well for around here. And should be done in a little bit. The baffled king composing hallelujah.
I'm not gonna mute that.
No, please mute that.
I'm going not to.
Going on.
I'm not going. I'm so
Yeah.
fucking drunk.
Yeah.
I'm so fucking drunk on hot steroids.
Right now, we need to get this fan in somehow. We don't know how we took it out, and we don't know how to get it back in. So, so we're just gonna leave it out. We are back now with our builds. We plugged everything in, plugged the power cable, the power supply into the motherboard, powered on everything, and we haven't clicked it on yet. So we're gonna see if it turns on first. So for the moment of truth, you want to do it?
No.
All right, I'll do it.
You get shot.
So I'm gonna click this. I'm gonna click this and see if it turns on. 3,
Is that flipped?
2, 1. So we're back with our take 2 of turning it on. Unfortunately, I'm not completely sure, but I'm almost positive that I put the power switch and the reset switch in on the motherboard incorrectly. I put them opposite of how they should have gone. So we're gonna test it out now. Do you want to do it, or do you want me to do it?
Let Kobe do it. Let Kobe do it.
Is it on? Do you want to do it or me? 3, 2, 1, go. Nope. So take 3. I may have put them in again wrong, but I'm hoping they go on the top this time. So we're going to try it again. Do you want to do it or do you want me to do it?
You do it.
So I want to do it. 3, 2, 1. Fuck. So we're back with take 4, and there's a stain on my shirt. There's a stain on my shirt. Back with take 4. Hopefully it's going to work this time. Cameron put something in a different slot. Maybe it's going to turn on this time. So let's test it out. 3, 2, 1. There we go. Is it going to give a post beep? Wait for it. Please post. We need a keyboard. It's going to go Please post. Nope. Turned off.
And it shut down. Well, as you can tell, ladies and gentlemen, 2007 was not a great year for gaming.